Hey, it's Dan from The Food in My Beard. I'm here with another recipe with Old Crock cheese. Today we're doing a cheese dip challenge, and guess what? It's LA versus New England. For the New England dip, we're gonna add some lobster, a little bit of truffle, and some chives. And in the LA version, it's gonna be carne asada street tacos. And you know what? Whichever dip wins, I definitely win because I get to try them both. At the end of the video, tell me in the comments if you want LA or New England. I'm gonna make a bunch of cheese sauce right now that we'll use for both of the recipes. I finished off the cheese sauce, and now I'm gonna prep the ingredients for the LA street taco cheese dip. I have the steak that I cooked a little earlier. All right, I have a little bit of that meat right here that I'm gonna stir in, but I'm gonna save some for on top when we're finished as well. A little bit of raw onions. And some cilantro too. That street taco dip was awesome, but I'm ready to move on to this lobster one, and I'm very excited about it. We have the same cheese dip here that I used before. And I'll just put a scoop of that right in here. Another cool thing about these recipes is you can make this cheese sauce, leave it in the fridge, and then day of, put it into the skillet with whatever mix-ins you want, throw it in the oven, and your cheese sauce is ready that day. I have some butter here that I just melted. I'm gonna add chives. And I'm just adding the tiniest little bit of truffle oil to this. You wanna be careful with that because it's potent. And here's the lobster itself. This dip is awesome. Well, extra butter in here and little tiny bit of truffle pairs so well with that luxurious lobster flavor and texture. It just makes this whole dip feel special. And what's always awesome about using Old Crock cheese is it has such a strong flavor that no matter what you're using it, it really comes through in the final product. So which one's better? I want you guys to vote in the comments. Tell me which one you like more. You know, it's hard. I'm supposed to be partial in this, but I am from New England, so I'm gonna probably have to go with the lobster one, but it was a real tough call. They're both super delicious. And what's great about making the base dip first is you can make both. You can make 5 different flavors if you wanted to. Everyone at the big game party can dig in and kind of vote for their favorites.